Hi, CJ Del Vecchio with Warren Real Estate inside my listing at 313 Sunnyview Lane in East Ithaca, New York. And as always, I'm here to show you a little bit of the inside. And of course, if you'd like your own tour, I'd be happy to get you in. So I'm just outside the front entry, and here is the neighborhood view. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with almost 1,300 square feet, contemporary style, all main level living. We have a nice big 2-car garage right here off of the entry. And it's a paved driveway also, very nice for the winter months. So it's an open floor plan. We have this living room with vaulted ceilings open to the dining. There's bedroom wing number 1 over here and primary bedroom wing over here, and a little back deck with a bistro table and a little yard, not too big. And coming back around here, you could see AC mini splits. There's a gas fireplace. And again, looking at the yard, semi-private from the attached wall. This wall here is attached, but there's no HOA. It's just built with attached walls. And here is dining and kitchen, eat-in kitchen, double sink, nice cabinets, solid wood cabinets, dishwasher. Nice little window, again, overlooking the front yard. Coming back around. Stove. Fridge. There's a pantry area here. Put extra appliances, garbage, etc. The primary bedroom does have a walk-in closet and its own bath. And it has a corner window here. So you get lots of south and west light and some views as well. Walk-in closet over there. Bathroom has a jet tub plus a shower. And then there's actually some really decent linen closet storage here. And the other bedroom and bath, as I said, in the other wing. Here's a peek at the walk-in closet. Of course, I don't want to show you too much because I want you to come and see it for yourself. Oh, yes, and main level laundry right here with the water heater. Oh, lights right there. There we go. And second bath here. This has a low step shower entry and a pedestal sink. Again, off of the living room. And the second bedroom has been used as an office and also has some pretty nice views. Take a quick peek. That's looking over Ithaca College Way. And a nice oversized closet. So, if you're looking for a nice place that's comfortable and move-in ready, and you can make it your own, this might be for you. It just came on the market recently, and it's still available. Feel free to give me a call, and I'll be happy to show you, get you in to see it yourself. Thanks for watching my video today.